Hello, my name is Karuna Ausman. I'm Recruitment Specialist for University of Waterloo. I will be traveling to India in month of April and will be attending Canam education fairs across the country. I invite you to come and meet me in person and get the information needed to attend University of Waterloo. I will discuss criteria, cooperative education, availability of scholarships. Me and my other colleagues from Canada will be present at this event. Please check the ads in the paper and come and see me and get first-hand knowledge about all of the ways to get into University of Waterloo and the things that you need to do prior to applying. All the best.